Hi, hello, I am from Aislyn Technology. Today we can see transformer monitoring and cooling system. Here we are using the transformer. This is the 230 volt and output is 12 volt. And here we are using temperature sensor. This is the DHT11 temperature sensor we are using to monitor the temperature of the transformer. And here we are using 12 volt cooling fan. Whenever the temperature of the transformer increased, we are using this fan, we are cooling the transformer. And here we are using Arduino UNO microcontroller. Temperature of the transformer increased, and this is the converter as well as a rectifier circuit. Here we are using rectifier to convert the AC to DC, and this is the 12 volt IC, and here we are using capacitor to normalize the voltage levels, and to give the power supply to the Arduino UNO we are using 5 volt IC. From 12 volt to we are converting to the 5 volts and providing to the Arduino UNO.